All right, folks, another project for the Ram 1500. Today, we are going to install side marker lights. Let's get to it. All right, folks, this or this? This or this? I'm choosing this. It's coming off. Let's get to it. All right, folks, I went ahead and purchased these on Amazon. These are the instructions. The instructions. Gone. All right. The reason why I chose these, because they have date lights. They're going to be white during the day, blue during the night, and they're also turn when the signal lights turn. There's really not much to it, but to figure out the wiring once you install them. So let's get to it. First of all, you should have trim removal tools or a screwdriver, right? I suggest trim removal tools, especially if they're plastic. What I did, I put painter's tape on the hood so I can prevent from scratching it. There's clips that you need to press into to pop it out. So I press this clip here, first two clips on the bottom, 1, 2. I lift it up a little bit and then I press the third clip right here and it came right off. So these are the clips that I press. This one, and this one. Also, if you want it, which we did obviously, there's 2 holes under the hood right here, one in here and one in here. And if you have a flashlight, you can also see the clips from under the hood as well. All right. So now that the side cover is out, let's get to the new one. All right, before I install this in the hood, we need to figure out the wires. Look at the wires. Come here, Joe. Let me show you something. Look where the wires are at. That's the wiring for the lights and the signal lights. There's literally no space to work on that. And I need to hook these wires. So what we need to do next, I need to take all of this so I have plenty of space to work on the wires, test it, make sure the signal lights work, the date lights work, and the night lights work. And if that works, I'll install this one first, then I'll get to the next side. All right, let's take this apart. All right, folks, let's take this apart. Look at this. Watch this, guys. This is how easy it is to work on a Ram. Look this. There you go. This is out. This. My flashlight is gone. We take the air filter out. The air filter housing. There you go. It's out. We take another piece from the air filter housing right here. Just watch your head and pull it very hard, and there you go. It comes right off. Voila. And now, if you come over here, Joe, friend, neighbor, camera guy, there we go. Now we need to figure out the wiring. All right, folks. We went ahead and tried the new side marker, the emblem. And as always, it doesn't fit the way I want it to fit. It doesn't snuggle. It doesn't fit as good as the original. So what we decided to do is to put 3M double-sided tape. So I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to put another strip on the marker as well and fit it in, right? Before you do that, before I forget, make sure you clean everything with alcohol. Clean the hood and clean the marker so you don't have any problems with it gluing together. All right, so let's get to that and see how it looks. This is try number 1, double-sided tape here and on the hood. You're gonna see if it works well this way, and if it does, I'm gonna leave it. If not, you're gonna have to put more double-sided tape. And by the way, who put the double-sided tape was my friend, camera guy, Joe. Monster Joe.
That's me.
It looks... Folks, I think we got it. It looks solid. I think we have it. Now we have to plug it in. Let's try the other side now. Folks, this is why my projects take so long, because there's one thing after another thing and another thing. So, as we are pulling the wire from inside the hood, I mean, this is the type of hole that this hood has, right? So, my friend, which he was right, he said, you know, why don't you put a grommet? So the cable doesn't rub against the hood as, you know, you drive it. So here it is. I had to buy grommets, install the grommet, and look how it is. Now it looks professional, right? The way it should be. All right, let's keep going. So we went ahead, put the wire through. As you can see, it's nice and neat. We brought it through in here so you cannot see it. And here's the wire. Here's the loom for the headlight. We went ahead and figured out which wires go to where, and we will show you that. That took a while to figure that out. So now I'm plugging it in and testing it and show you how it looks. All right, let me finish. All right, folks, we went ahead and installed the passenger side. And I want to keep it positive, as my friend tells me that I have to keep it positive. And then we started on the driver's side, and guess what? We had a few difficulties on the driver's side, and the difficulties is that the wire harness, there's really no wiggle room to do anything on it, and there's no space. So I had to disassemble all the wiring. If you take a look in here, disassemble all the wiring and the fuses, disconnect the battery, so I can reach this cable and do the connections for the marker right here. So now that I unhook the whole entire wiring system of the Ram, I'm gonna hook up the lights and hopefully everything works. So let's get to it, and then we'll show you throughout, you know, what we did, okay? Let's get to it now. All right, still working on the driver's side, and we went ahead and installed the marker the same as we did on the passenger side. We put a wire grommet in here in the hole to make sure that the wire doesn't get cut. We fed it through here as the other wires. And we had to take the battery out. We had to take these bolts out, and we fed the wire between this and the frame all the way to here. Look at that. This is how we fed it. All right, so now we're gonna try to plug it in and see if it works. I fixed all the wiring. It was, you know, somehow challenging, but, you know, okay. Now let's go ahead and test it. Let me shut down the hood and test it. White, signal light. Now you want blue. We're gonna give you blue. There you go. You're good. Check it out. Please like and subscribe. There's more to come.